people coming after you a minute ago.
Alright, Watchmaker, I got a video rolling on you now, man. Try again. Hey, Watchmaker, I got the video on your roll now. Try again. Say hello on your new antenna. You know, said it. Back out.
Hey, you take care up there, Speed. No, that East Coast there.
Hey, you take care too also there, Watchmaker. Hey, Watchmaker, go on, man. I got you 40 dBs. You're making a trip. You know who said it. Back out.
Hey, 410 Speed, you take care, brother. I had Weed Killer coming in there with you that time, but you're putting like a 9 on me down here. You're smoking, Speed. Smoking. And Weed Killer, you're smoking too. Your Watchmaker cruising. The more I may got down.
Hey, Watchmaker, I'm just on my ground plane. Hey, Watchmaker, I'm just on my ground plane. Hey, Watchmaker, well, you got 40 dBs in my receiver. You know who said it. Back out.
Hey, keep some of them flowers for yourself there, Speed. I appreciate the flowers, my brother. You sounded all kinds of good down there, too. We'll do it again, my friend. The Watchmaker got down.
410, man. I'll post that up on my YouTube page and I'll send it to you, man. Hey, Watchmaker, I'll send it to you, man. I'll leave a Watchmaker with your new antenna. You know who said it. Back out.
I'm on my way.